Hello everyone, Professor Nevin here. This is the first tutorial video about the Etoys software, and in this video we'll learn how to install Etoys. First, we'll need to download it, so open up your favorite internet browser and type in Etoys download in your favorite search engine. Squeaklang.org should be the first result, and we'll go ahead and click on it. On this page we have 4 different installations for Etoys depending on the operating system. We'll go ahead and choose the one that we need. For example, if you have the Windows operating system, go ahead and click the Windows installation. If you have a Macintosh computer, choose the Macintosh version. If you have Linux, why the hell are you watching this video? And finally, choose the To Go option if you can't install anything on your computer or you want to boot Etoys from an USB drive. I have Windows, so I'll choose the Windows version. The installation will be downloaded in your download folder, and now double click the installation to start it. Press Run, read through the license agreement, then press I agree. Choose the location where you want to install Etoys. If you're not sure what that means, just press Next and finally click Install. Once it installs, a desktop shortcut should be created on your desktop. If that's the case, feel free to skip to the next video. If for some reason your computer didn't make an Etoys shortcut on your desktop, keep watching. To create a desktop shortcut, we need to locate where Etoys was installed. By default, it should be installed on the C hard drive, Program Files x86, and then Etoys. To create a desktop shortcut, press and hold right-click on etoys.exe and then drag and drop it on your desktop. Choose Create Shortcuts here from the menu, and that's it! In the next video, we'll learn the basics of Etoys, such as how to create a new project, how to save it, how to load it, etc. See you guys in the next video!